A Chinese scientist claims he altered human DNA, created the world's first genetically edited babies, and then vanished, locked behind bars. But online, people are saying something much bigger happened, that he actually discovered a cure for HIV and was silenced. So what really happened? In 2018, a relatively unknown scientist named He Jiankui shocked the world. Using a powerful gene editing tool called CRISPR, he claimed to have done something no one had ever done before. He edited the DNA of human embryos and brought them to term. Twin girls were born. Their genes had been permanently changed. The goal wasn't to cure HIV. Instead, he targeted a specific gene known as CCR5, a gene that HIV uses to enter human cells. By altering it, he hoped to make the children resistant to HIV before they were even born. On the surface, it sounds like a breakthrough. But here's the problem. No one knew the long-term effects. These weren't lab tests. These were real children with irreversible genetic changes. And the global scientific community was not prepared for what he had done. Within days, outrage exploded worldwide. Scientists, governments, and ethicists all condemned the experiment. Not because he cured anything, but because he crossed a line. He bypassed regulations, allegedly forged ethical approvals, and carried out one of the most controversial human experiments in modern history. Then suddenly, he disappeared. In 2019, Chinese authorities sentenced him to prison, not for discovering a cure, but for illegal medical practices. The sentence? 3 years. Not life, not a cover-up punishment, just enough to send a message. So where did the HIV cure story come from? It's a distortion of the truth. A real experiment turned into a conspiracy because the idea is powerful. What if someone really did find a cure and it was hidden? But in reality, no cure was discovered. What makes this story unsettling isn't a hidden cure. It's the fact that, for the first time in history, humans weren't just born, they were edited. And that raises a much darker question. If this was possible in 2018, what's happening now? Let us know in the comments. Sometimes science fact is stranger than science fiction. Don't forget to subscribe.